Hi you guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't worry, I'm getting ready right now, but I just wanted to come on really fast and show you this. You need to run to Target. Oh, I dropped it. You need to run to Target and get this Hey Humans natural diverted body wash, this banana aloe one. Girl, you need this. It's so freaking good. And then I got more makeup wipes for my favorite makeup remover. This stuff is the bomb, kitty. The bomb. And then a new bye. See you later. A new body thing. Shampoo and conditioner. Bomb.com. Whoop. You need it. It's so good. I love it. I've been using Tula and Roden Fields to wash my face, if you were wondering. But this stuff is so dang good. You can get it on their website. My friend gets it for me because she gets it cheaper at her hair store. So if you have a cosmetology friend, maybe see if they can get it at like their local store where they can get stuff like half the price. That's what I do. But it's so good. I'm gonna get ready really quick and I will be right back to show you guys what I got yesterday from Target, Maurice's, and American Eagle and Aerie. I'm also going to update you on my Weight Watchers, what plan I'm going to be switching to. Alright guys, I just got ready in like 2 seconds for you. But I just did like a quick, I got a little mascara right here, which I'm going to let it dry and then I'll flake it off. And I'm using the Essence mascara, the green one. You can get it on Amazon or you can get it like in stores now, I think. So bomb, you need it. I'm wearing my new Target shirt. This is the going all over the place, but I wanted to sit down. I actually have other things I can show you, but I wanted to talk, and I'm setting you up right here to talk to you. What is this? Oh, it's my hanger for my shirt. I wanted to talk to you because I feel like I haven't talked to you in so long, like one-on-one girl, just me and you. I want to talk about Weight Watchers. So I've been doing green and I get like 50 some points because I've gained weight. Don't mind the mess behind me if you see it, like just ignore. That is like our free-for-all pile right there. It's so annoying. I hate that little desk area. It needs to go. I'd rather have like extra cabinets, but yeah. Anyways, back to what we're talking about. I normally get like 52 points. Whatever. I already changed, so I don't know. Oh, here, we'll just look last week. 51 points I was getting. And that's like you get only like 100 0-point foods, so no chicken. Like chicken breast is not 0. Eggs are 2 points. They're not 0. Like blue and purple. So like little things like that. Today, let's see if I can pull it up here. So now today I get 39 on the blue plan. I'm switching to the blue plan, you guys. That was my OG. That's where I lost a lot of my weight. For my weight and stuff, they give me 39 points, which is still a lot of points. Some people only get 21, so I can imagine. But for me personally, when I started Weight Watchers, I got a lot of points. I mean, I think the most I've ever had was like 40 something on blue. I can't really remember, but because I've gained weight, they gave me more points, blah blah blah. And I'm changing my weigh-in days to Saturdays. Today is Saturday, May 1st. Cinco de Mayo is coming up. I just really like blue. I feel like for me, blue, I love to eat eggs, I love to eat chicken, and when I was doing green, I was actually not eating as many 0-point foods because I was thinking to myself, well, I could have this instead and it's 12 points, sure, but I get 50 some points, so it's fine. I was finding like that was not working out for me. I was losing weight, but it's not sustainable. Like I should not be eating like that. I want to eat more 0-point foods and stop focusing on like all of the processed food, which I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not cutting out processed food. I get not hate, but I get a lot of comments where people are like, well, you still do eat a lot of processed food, blah 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 blah. And it's like, you know what, I'm sorry, but like I'm not gonna ever just eat vegetables and chicken breast. Like I just can't. And if that's your journey and you can, like I applaud you, because your girl really likes her processed food and I like to eat out and I like all of that fun good stuff. But there's a time and a place for that, and I feel like hone down and like saddle up, girl. Like my weight's starting to go up, but I do not want to fall into the old habits like I used to have. Oh my gosh, I don't want to gain my weight back, and I'm starting to notice like my jeans are getting tighter. My 16s, 18s are starting to get tighter. Not the 18s, the 16s. I'm into 18s again. Like these shirts, XXL. I used to be able to like get extra larges and they'd fit good, but like my stomach's so bloated all the time, and I do feel like it really plays into like me eating so much sweets and donuts and this and that and like fitting them into my day, and it's like, no, a donut is meant for a treat, and I don't know. That's how I feel. So on to fashion talk. I actually wanted to show you what I got yesterday at American Eagle. So American Eagle, Aerie is like I don't know if it's like a branch of American Eagle or what it is, but I got this shirt. It's an Aerie shirt, but it was at American. I keep wanting to call it Aeropostale because they used to call Aeropostale Aerie, I swear. But I got this really cute long sleeve. It's really light though, you guys. They actually have the matching sets. Jason's home. Matching sets. So this is really, really pretty green, and I had to get it. I mean, look at it. And it's actually in a medium, and it fit. So you can definitely size down in these. I'm normally an extra large, XXL for size reference, but that fit. And then I got this in a large because it was the last one in it. These were half off, by the way, at American Eagle. So I got this. So comfy, so thin. If you can tell, it's really thin. So perfect for like a fire on a summer night, and has a hood if you're feeling a hood that day. At Maurice's, I'm just gonna throw a picture up. But I got a dress and this really cute over thing to go over the black dress. I thought that would be so cute with some sandals because I don't really wear dresses. And then I got this, and then this stuff from Target that I showed you. And I think that's all I got. Oh, and these shoes, some Nike shoes. I really needed these to work out in, which I'll probably work out later. Me and my brother have been liking to work out together. We're starting to plan that we're gonna work out together. These are the Nikes I got. They're like a blush pink. They're so cute, and they are I'll give you the name of them in case you want them for yourself. They're Women's Nike Legend Essential. I'll try to link them down below if I can find them online for you guys. I hate wearing lip gloss because I get hair stuck in them, but here's this. I'll let you, if you want to screenshot it. They're so cute. And yes, I have a big foot. I wear a size 10, okay? Indy was whining and distracted me, but girlfriend, you're nuts. You're nuts. Go to Menards today, get some rugs. I'm going to show you guys. This is the rug I'm talking about. But it's so nice. It's from Menards. We're going to go get 2 more, and then I'm going to put one in the kitchen. And Indy needs them because when she comes in from outside, she likes to sleep on the floor because her nails grow like a weed. Yes, you, honey. I'm really excited. I'm still really happy, you guys. Like, I don't really care that I've gained some weight. I've gained about 15 pounds. And I'm just so happy, and like, I just feel so good in life right now. Like, good things will come, and I'm really excited. And you can do this too if you're on a weight loss journey like me. You can do it if you're gonna count calories, if you're gonna do Weight Watchers. I always have a link down below if you want to try Weight Watchers for the first time. If you've never been on Weight Watchers, you can get a free month. I know that they were doing it, you can set up for free right now, but I don't know if it's still going. I'm gonna try vlogging more and showing more what I eat on here because YouTube is my safe place. I love YouTube. It's just video editing that takes so much time, because that's why Instagram is so much easier, because it's so much up to date and I can just post blah blah blah, post it and it's done. Whereas YouTube, I have to sit and edit, so that's why like I've been really slacking. Girl, we ain't slacking no more. I love you guys. I will talk to you soon. Hi you guys, I'm so sorry. I totally forgot to vlog, so I wanted to show you. I'm gonna tell you first. We went to Menards and we got some Mexican. I'll try to post a picture. I don't think I took any pictures of our food, but me and Jay, I got a drink and it was way too strong. I didn't even really drink it, which was really sad. But went to Menards for these rugs. So I originally just got that guy, and then we had 2 different color rugs here and there, and I'm like, I really want them to match. So I got these. This is what it looks like up close. Super comfy and soft. They're from Menards. They were $22 each, and then that guy was $24. But I highly recommend their rugs if you're in the need for a new rug. I had a major migraine, so say hi to the vlog, Jay.
Call me in. Pop, pop, pop. Look at that suntan. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you got a tan from sitting in the toilet.
Watching Casino.
We're watching a movie.
Joe Pesci just killed a lady.
So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna go full blown on the blue plan. I have some meals picked out, but today I just listened to my body. Ate when I was hungry, ate when I was not, or didn't eat. Well, what am I saying? Maybe I should put in a order on. Oh, I folded those for you the other day.
I know, dude, my favorite shorts.
They are. You have to tie them though. They're way too big on you.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'll let you guys know. Like my new hair. That's. What do they call it when they flip the wig off?
A weave?
No.
A wig?
No, it's like a thing. Just forget it. When you're mad, you throw your weave. I don't remember the saying. Whatever, I'll Google it.
Whip your hair back and forth?
Yeah.
That's a Will Smith song, I think.
Yeah, we're gonna willow your hair. It's really cute, but
Joe Pesci.
it's tight on the bottom. Like, I wish that they had like 3X. I'm in a 2X, but they're tighter fitting. So if you get banties, well, you already put them on.
When you walking around like John Bear.
You're sassy tonight. Don't pull on my face. Oh, my nose is tender. I got a sore. My nose, like, my battery's dying.
Mike's Mango.
Your mics.
Yeah,
Your
they're
name's
my
Mike.
mics. You're right. Your mics. They are my mics.
What should we eat for lunches this week? Or dinners? Give them some ideas.
30 packages of ketchup.
Okay, Big Daddy.
Hey, from your favorite.
What do you want for
cartoon.
lunch?
Yeah.
That's what he said. What do you want your name to be?
What the hell's the matter with you?
Is that what he said? What do you want your name to be? Lasagna.
No, what do you want your name to be? Frankenstein. You know, he asked when they were sitting in McDonald's, what do you want for breakfast? Lasagna.
Oh, yeah. I have to pee. You just peed. I have to pee.
Can't you go too? No, only you and my father go to the bathroom every 30 minutes.
What did we do at Menards?
Bought Indy a toy.
Oh, yeah. He got a new toy. He's got a new toy. It's so nice.
Got new rugs.
He got new rugs.
They're Indy approved.
And he's going to chew on my rugs.
Indy tested. Indy approved.
And you better not chew on my rugs.
She's gonna
You
chew.
better not chew on my rugs anyhow.
You can smile for the camera, Indy.
Say bye. See you tomorrow. This is, I don't like it.
Good smile for the camera.
Smile, bye.
Jeez, we need to brush your teeth.
Go for
Good
it.
girl, Indy. Let's get you a treat.
Let's go get you. Hi, you guys. So today I told you I was starting Blue Plan officially. So I am. And I wanted to show you what I'm going to eat for lunch. I'm going to have one of these slender, round, classic white Village Hearth 100-calorie rolls. They're really, really good. My friend actually recommended them to me. And they're delicious. I really, really like them. Like, better than a bagel because, you know, bagels have holes in them. Well, when you go to spread cream cheese and jelly on it, it just gets through the hole. Because I was craving bagels and I seen these and I'm like, oh, I know my one friend really likes these, so I'm going to try them. So I'm going to have this, a serving of cream cheese and a serving of red seedless raspberry jam. So, I mean, there might be less point jam, but a tablespoon is plenty for this. So alright, here's my breakfast. So it is 12 points, and then I just have 4 ounces, fluid ounces of orange juice because it sounded really good. And I usually don't drink that much orange juice anyways. I don't like to drink my points, so I'll also be pairing this with some cold water. And this is really good. If you guys get the chance to try it, I would highly recommend. Or just any kind of cream cheese. Like, oh, it's so good. Alright, so here's my 11-point lunch. I'm having half of the bowl of coleslaw that I made. Because that's 6 points. I just would rather have 3 points. So I'm going to save this for later. I'll probably eat it as with my dinner. Which doesn't really make sense because I'm going to eat it either way. But just whatever. 1 cheddar turkey dog for 3 points. And then half of a cup of beans for 5 points. Which I could have probably did a fourth of a cup. But it is 2:30. So I'm going to scarf this down. And yeah, and I'm also going to have just a little bit of sugar-free ketchup. But I don't count that as points. So far I've eaten 22 out of, how many points do I get in a day? Dinner calculated, but let's just take dinner out so then I can show you guys. 18 out of 22 out of 40 points so far today. Alright, I just worked out. I took off my Fitbit so I can't show you, but I burned like 300 some calories, so I'm gonna have a little snack. This is just my favorite Cantina Thin Crispy Chips. I have a serving here for 5 points, and then my favorite salsa is this one, medium tostados, 0 points for as much as you want. It's just literally 0 points. And I have 4 tablespoons there, so this whole little snack's only 5 points. Hi you guys, I'm looking cray. I just got done working out like I said, and I just had that chips and salsa. It's May 2nd. I'm feeling so hungry. I'm starting to think maybe I'm regretting switching to blue, because I would get 12 extra points right now, because right now so far I only have 10 points left for dinner, and I don't have any 0 point foods. Like I don't have any vegetables, don't have any eggs. Like I could make a couple hard-boiled eggs, but I don't have any, you know what I mean? So, because of course I didn't go grocery shopping, so why does it look like I have George Washington hair? I'm gonna just sit here and be hungry, because if I do that, I'm going to binge eat, and that's just like, I can already feel it in me wanting to do it, and I'm trying everything in my power to keep myself busy today. So I worked out, I've been on Instagram doing other things, other than just, you know, watching a movie. I just watched Despicable Me 2 with Jay, and like just keeping myself busy, staying away from the kitchen, because I'm not hungry, but I'm like, I have this munchy thing in my mind that I need, and I don't need it. So, ooh, I could have a pickle. That's what I'll do. I'll have a pickle. So this brand is my favorite.